Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol AKS. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So all this here may look like several days worth of time. It's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways. Very nice movement today, not only from the price perspective, but you look down here at the volume and well above average volume on the day. So a lot of eyeballs on this one. So let's map out some areas of support and resistance as we head into next week. First level, we'll talk about some supports and what I would call the ideal level of support. And if you say, hey, Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? And ideally speaking, if the price could stay up above $2.43, that would certainly be a massive sign of power. With that being said, I'm not saying that if the price falls below that area, then that implies everything's destroyed or ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price could stay up above 243, that would certainly be a big sign of power going forward. Taking a step back and looking at all this from the bigger picture point of view, that is where the purple line there comes into play, the 50-period simple moving average. Keyword being moving. As time goes by, that line is going to move itself higher and higher. So a very straightforward way to gauge the health of the move, that right there being defined as the move. Just watch that purple line. As long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control. However you must visualize that, that is what is being represented. Again, yeah, staying above 242 would be great. But from the grand scheme of it all, as long as the price is above that purple line, the bulls 100% own the chart. What about levels of resistance? Nothing fancy or complicated here other than the fact of the party finally stopped right up there at $2.55. So $2.55 will be that initial area of resistance. If the price can push up through that level, the next key overarching battleground doesn't look too far off. I guess somewhat, right up around $2.60. So all in all, any way you look at it, monster volume today, monster price movement. Now the question definitely going into next week is just, can the price continue to build upon this momentum? Let's see what happens with it. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.